For more on the case, our London correspondent Julia Chapman is now joining us live there from London. So we understand that he's already appeared in a London courtroom this morning. What came out of this hearing?
It was a pretty brief preliminary hearing this morning, only half an hour, and most of it was focused on giving evidence as to whether Kevin Spacey should be granted bail pending his next court hearing. And it was decided by the magistrate here at Westminster Magistrates Court that he should be given unconditional bail. Kevin Spacey offered information including confirming his name, confirming his date of birth. He gave a London address, but unconditional bail means that he will be able to travel to the United States and back before his next court date, which is in mid-July. The case has been referred to a higher court because of the seriousness of one of the charges. There are 5 different charges against him pertaining to 3 different individual alleged suspects. The lawyer for Kevin Spacey, speaking in court today, said that the actor strenuously denies any and all criminality in these allegations, and he is expected to put forward a plea of not guilty when he's asked to give a plea to these allegations in the court hearing next month.
It was almost hard to see him walk into the courtroom because there's so much media presence. He got lost in that shuffle. I'm sure it was a madhouse outside that courtroom. So these allegations range from 2003 to 2015. The accusers came forward 2 years later, 2017. Now we're in 2022. So why was there such a delay before there were charges here that were formally filed?
Well, there was a long investigation carried out by London's Metropolitan Police, and then when that was completed, the evidence was put forward to the Crown Prosecution Service, which assessed it and decided whether or not there should be charges brought against Kevin Spacey. During that investigation by the police, police officers traveled to the United States where they questioned the actor for 4 days. He complied with them. He engaged willingly in the investigation, and he also willingly and voluntarily traveled to the United Kingdom in order to be charged. Charges couldn't be put forward to him until he was on British soil. So he has been cooperating with the authorities. There was indeed a lengthy investigation into these alleged crimes, but certainly now we are starting to see proceedings move forward with these 3 alleged victims of Kevin Spacey putting forward their accusations.
And if convicted, and certainly that's a big if, there's still miles to go on this, what kind of sentence could the actor possibly face here?
Well, 4 of the charges are of sexual assault, and those carry with them either a prison sentence of 6 months each or an unlimited fine. But the more serious charge, which he faces, brought forward by one alleged victim of Kevin Spacey's, is involving an allegation that he engaged in unconsensual sexual activity. And if he is found guilty on that particular count, there is a lifetime prison is the maximum sentence that he could receive. So certainly a very serious charge being put forward. That's been why it's been referred to a higher court, and we will find out once that court hearing gets underway in on July 14th whether the actor pleads guilty to those charges.
All right, Julia Chapman reporting live in London on the Kevin Spacey case. Thank you.